Welcome to our new home in Colorado. We moved in literally 2 days ago and we just love it here. But the second I saw this huge wall, I knew that it needed to be covered in some bookshelves. So we headed to IKEA and got way too many boxes, but let's get to the good stuff. Alrighty, so before we get more into the video, I gotta stop for a second because I have to talk about kind of the purpose of this video, because we've all seen the amazing DIYs that people have done with the IKEA bookshelves. They look so good, they look amazing, they look so good, okay? This is not that video. I'm so sorry to disappoint you. I am the type of person who I don't have, especially right now, the time, the patience, the flexibility, the power tools, okay? These take a lot of work. They really, really do. Could I do them throughout the span of like a year? Maybe, who knows? So this is just, hello, would you like to join us? So this video is really just what the face tracker is tracking my dog. So this video is really just to show you what the IKEA bookshelves look like just on their own. This is not, there's nothing fancy going on here, okay? This is just me purchasing the bookshelves, putting them together, and showing you just how cool they can be just on their own. This is my dog Chloe, by the way. And this is obviously her favorite spot in the entire house. She gets to creep on the neighbors this way. So anyway, so that's the point of this video, just before we get into it. Okay, let's get back to the video, and I'm gonna level my doggy some. Bye. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of this really professional DIY and photo editing, video editing, whatever. Okay, so I have officially built 1 out of the 5 sets. The Hofsta it's not for the faint of heart. It's extremely hard. I don't even know if I would recommend it. She's beautiful, but she's hard. You have to have some patience for her. The Billy, it's a 10 out of 10. All right, super simple to put together, and I love it. Now, I did go out and buy a rubber hammer, a mallet, because I think that that's going to help me a lot. Hopefully it'll move this process faster. It is 9 o'clock. I don't know if you can see it. It's 9 o'clock. And I'm in the mood. Okay, I'm in the zone. I'm gonna get this finished. But come to find out, the front room doesn't have any lights. Literally. Also, I'll show it to you. So there are no lights. So my recording isn't gonna look good. So I moved into my kiddo's playroom. We've only been in this house for about 3 days, so it is what it is. So I'm going to put everything together in here, and then I'll transfer it over into the formal living room, whatever it is, my office, the library, in the morning whenever the lighting is beautiful and we can all fully get the full effect of everything. So let's get this done, and I'll let you know how long it takes. It's 9 o'clock. It's upside down. Who cares? Let's go. Okay, so I do have a little tribute to the little townhome. I got the same little poles on Amazon that we had in our kitchen, and I just love them. They're so cute. Always change out the IKEA ones. They just give you like standard silver knobs. Make them cute. Okay, here's a full bookshelf tour. Okay, so outside we have our porch swings, and you come over here. It's very bare, but it's getting there. It'll get there eventually. We did make our little Harry Potter corner. Chloe. We did make our little Harry Potter corner yesterday. We have the little car with Harry and Ron in there. If I can put it back, whatever. So anyway, it's coming along. This I'll probably give away because I hated this book series. I'm one of the few people who hate it. It's horrible. On a lighter note, here's Toy Story. Minions. Need to make that little camera. And this is all of our, I don't know, classic books like from high school that they make you read. We have all of the Game of Thrones books. And then this I got from Target a little while ago, and I'm in love with it. It doesn't work. It doesn't need to work, okay? It's gorgeous. It's adorable. These are just like pretty books. I have no idea what they're about. And then we've got the Mystery Machine. And then that is our animal Legos. And then this, I have an idea for up here. This computer is not going to stay here. We're just going to had to throw it somewhere. So ignore that. Then we've got the Fourth Wing books with our little How to Train Your Dragon. He's so cute. I love him. This, I think I'm going to keep it over here. That's where I'm going to be working. And I think he just needs a little lamp. My kiddo's singing, sorry. And then up here we've got Simba. I don't know what we're doing here, but that's our Mickey. And then that is the Dalmatian that we have to make. He's the same as Simba, just 101 Dalmatians. But yeah, it's coming along. My kid is singing the Doc McStuffin song. It's very cute. And then this is just going to be, look at all the storage. Alrighty, hello friends. We have officially been here for 6 weeks, which is wild and crazy, and I can't believe it's been that long, but we've loved it so much. So this is my home office. I'll show it to you in a second. I have the face tracker turned on. And one thing that this home office needs is a chair, like right here, like a big Chase lounge chair. One for my dog so she can look out and spy on the neighbors, but also for me because I like to decorate for the seasons, but I've never really like had a spot that I could do it at. I kind of did it on my porch swing a couple of times, but yeah, I know that this will be super, super cute when people, there's my office right there. So whenever like I'm on my Zoom calls, people can see stuff. So I don't know, a conversation starter. Oh, look at your cute little pillows. I don't know. Something to get excited for. So don't worry, I've already purchased my chair on Amazon. Very excited for it. I'll link it below and all that fun jazz. So yeah, let's put it together. Let's see if we like it. I mean, we're gonna like it. I'm not returning it. I know you're excited. Goodness gracious, child. This is my doggy Chloe. I'm doing this for you and for me. Selfish and not selfish. All right, let's go. Alrighty, so now let's get into what this beautiful unit costs. Now I will say I did this at the beginning of August, and it is now the middle of October, and these have already gone up in price. So let's just start up at the top. So this is the Billy extension. So as you can see, there's 2 units here. We've got the Billy, the 3 shelves, and then we've got 1 additional shelf up there. The additional shelf up there is $30. That's still the same price. This, originally whenever I purchased it, it was $40. Now I think it's $50. So they're slowly but surely going up in price. And then these cabinets are the Hovsta. And so whenever I first purchased these, they were $250 per thing, per cabinet, and now they are $270. So if you're going to buy them, I guess buy them now because they're going up in price. And so I will kind of post here exactly what I purchased. So I purchased 4 of the bookshelf units. So I got 4 of the Billy bookshelves, the short, 4 of the tops, and then 5 of the Hovsta. And so my total, I had to go back through and find all my receipts. My total was $1,500. And then I think with like the taxes and all of that, I total paid $1,600 for all of this. And let me just say, yes, it's a lot of money. It completely transforms this entire room. And the second I saw this large wall, whenever we were looking at the house, I was like, oh, this is perfect for my bookshelf dreams. And if I ever want to add one more, I totally can. But right now we're not going to. But anyway, I thought it was 100% worth it. I've been dreaming about this for years. And there is so much storage down here. And I haven't even used all of these, right? Like we've got, this one's used for my kiddos' books. She does have more books over there. These are the extra books. We've got some board games in here. Again, not even scratching the surface with like the potential of these storage units. So anyway, this I think is just random stuff. So anyway, I love these. They're such a great quality. I would highly recommend them. Yes, they're expensive, but like these are staying up in my house for forever.
Slipping through my fingers, can't recall all the days as the ocean falls and rises. So does life have to change? Don't buy plastic flowers when I die. Go somewhere, spend it well, live your life. And if you mourn me, don't mourn for too damn long. Don't buy plastic flowers when I'm gone. All the world, she's getting older, and she can't recall her age. As the flowers die in winter, I guess she has to spend that way. Don't buy plastic flowers when I die. Go somewhere